now know they play too much attack.
Chelsea 3-0 today away against West Ham. Wetin be your thought?
I like today's game. The game impressed me well well. The show say our guys are coming up. Like the way them play the game, them plan with strength. Our defense, if you watch the way Tozin and Corey, then take play the defense. The team been dey okay. I like the defense well well. The defense get energy and the midfield. Watch the likes of Casido. Casido play very good football. And Enzo Fernandez, the pen been dey good. They creative. So and today if you watch Chelsea know to play that possession football, then play counter football. So the game makes sense well well. I enjoy the game well well.
Now more talk about Jackson. He don score 2 goals today. You think say Chelsea wey no sign Osimhen, they no really miss am?
With the pattern of football when I play, if Jackson continue to use, because Jackson no be say Jackson no be good player. Jackson get good, dey skillful, get controls, but the only thing where they kill him is na him finishing. See ba, so if he use this kind of finishing when use for today game, so I think say dem fit use am without even Osimhen. We go fit use am go fight top 4 for this Premier League. Maresca, I like the way they make him sub. His substitute dey very good because he know who to come out and who to put. See ba, he know who to cover that wing well more than the other even person. His sub self dey even good more than the person wey start. So Maresca football, he dey me good, and in the way they take the possession of the football, they me okay pass Pochettino football.